I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, cadets. Let's have a magical Monday. Lunes Mágico. Have a great day.
Morning, Frederick High School is Mrs. Green, and we're here today with today's daily trivia question. Today's question: what was the name of the fourth Rice Krispies mascot? Was it Pow, Bang, Boom, or Splat? As always, drop your answer in the box below, and we will let you know the answer tomorrow.
Cause here everything is possible.